So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save a freeform board as a JPEG or a PNG file. So the first thing you want to do is open up your freeform and then find the board that you want to save as these picture files, so JPEG and PNG. So let's just open one as an example. So this is some board I've been working on. So on here you can see the export button. You can also see some more actions, so we can do it a couple different ways. So if I click on this, you can see rename, favorite, find, add scene, scene navigator, alignment settings, math results, export as PDF, and print. So from here, if I click on export as PDF, you will see the option that says PDF document and what's the size of that document. And then you can just save it to files or copy it and send it to someone as an email. So from there, once you've sent it, you will have the option to, as a PDF file, to convert it to a JPEG or a PNG. So what does that mean? There isn't a really direct way that you can convert a board in freeform to JPEG or PNG, but from here you can actually add it as a PDF file and then convert it to a JPEG or a PNG. So that's a couple different ways that you can go about doing that. So if you go through here and export it as a PDF, then send it to someone, you can then convert that PDF to a JPEG. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.